Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose apps over here. Then tap on app lock and choose turn on. Now you need to create your pattern and then repeat it. When you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner and choose sign in and add or tap on not now. I will go with not now because I don't want to log in, so I have to wait 5 seconds and tap on not now again. Over here, if you wish to lock all of those apps, just tap on use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on every which of those and tap on use app lock if you see 0 over here. Over here, you can also add your fingerprint by choosing settings. I will go with cancel and tap on the switcher next to an app that I wish to lock, in my case Amazon Shopping. So now when I click home button and try to access Amazon app, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!